Deep within the silence of the night, a miraculous process begins inside your skull, a biological cleansing that only occurs when the world falls quiet around you. While you are drifting into the deepest stages of sleep, your brain is not merely resting, it is preparing for its most essential daily maintenance and purification. Scientists have recently discovered a specialized system that acts like a waste management plant, flushing out toxic debris that accumulates during your long hours of wakefulness. Without this vital cleaning cycle, your mind becomes a warehouse for metabolic waste, leading to brain fog, memory loss, and a significant decline in overall cognitive function. This liquid gold is called cerebrospinal fluid, and it acts as the brain's personal janitor, scrubbing away the harmful proteins that can eventually lead to neurodegeneration. Specifically, it targets amyloid beta and tau proteins, the very substances linked to Alzheimer's disease, ensuring your neural pathways remain clear, healthy, and incredibly sharp for years. But here's the secret. The efficiency of this brainwashing process depends heavily on your physical posture and the specific orientation of your body during the night. Research suggests that sleeping in the lateral position or on your side significantly enhances the glymphatic system's ability to remove toxins compared to lying flat. When you lie on your side, the natural gravity and alignment of your neck allow the brain's waste channels to open wider, facilitating a much faster flow. Imagine waking up every single morning with a brain that has been professionally deep cleaned, leaving you with unmatched focus, creativity, and a much sharper memory. The glymphatic system is most active during slow wave sleep, the deepest phase where your heart rate slows and your body enters a profound state of total repair. During these precious hours, the brain cells actually shrink by nearly 60%, creating larger spaces for the cleansing fluid to rush through every single crevice. During the day, the brain is too busy processing information to clean itself, which is why chronic sleep deprivation is so incredibly damaging to your long-term health. If you have been feeling sluggish or forgetful, it is likely that your brain hasn't had the chance to complete its nightly rinse cycle in quite some time. This complex plumbing system is elegant and precise, utilizing the space around your blood vessels to transport clean fluid in and carry the metabolic trash back out. Think of it as a dishwasher for your neurons. Without it, the grease and grime of neural activity build up until the whole system starts to fail. To optimize this process, you must prioritize both the duration and the quality of your sleep, ensuring you reach those deep stages where the cleaning begins. The side sleeping position is not just a preference, it is a mechanical advantage that allows your brain to drain its waste products with the least resistance. Just as a garden needs water to thrive and clear away dead leaves, your brain requires this nightly fluid surge to maintain its youthful vitality and function. Groundbreaking studies at major universities have confirmed that this process is our most potent defense against the natural aging process of the human mind. When the lights go out in the city of your mind, the maintenance crew moves in, working tirelessly to ensure everything is ready for the next day. Choosing the right pillow height is crucial to keeping your neck straight, which prevents the constriction of the vessels that facilitate the brain's essential fluid drainage. The pulse of your arteries actually helps drive the fluid through the brain, making the health of your cardiovascular system directly linked to your mental clarity. By establishing a calming bedtime routine, you signal to your nervous system that it is time to switch from processing mode to the critical cleaning mode. This barrier is the brain's ultimate security system, and the glymphatic flow ensures that only the bad waste leaves, while the good nutrients stay perfectly protected. Protecting your brain today means you will be able to enjoy the sharpness of your mind for decades, staying present for the moments that truly matter. Don't let your brain become a cluttered attic. Give it the space and the position it needs to refresh itself every single night without any interruptions. If you are a back sleeper, consider training yourself to stay on your side by placing a long body pillow behind you for additional structural support. There is a rhythm to nature, and your brain follows this same ancient pattern, washing away the old to make room for the new experiences of tomorrow. Every breath you take in deep sleep is a pump for this system, circulating the fluid that keeps your consciousness bright and your thoughts incredibly clear. The journey of the fluid begins at the base of the brain, spiraling upwards like a refreshing spring to nourish and cleanse the highest centers of thought. At this very moment, your glymphatic system is at its peak performance, working at 10 times the speed it does during your active waking hours. It is a literal dilution and removal of toxins, a chemical reset that balances your neurotransmitters and prepares your mood for the challenges of the morning. Many great thinkers and artists attribute their best ideas to the clarity that comes immediately after a long, deep, and properly positioned night of rest. The microscopic precision of this system is breathtaking, ensuring that even the smallest waste products are gathered and moved toward the exit channels efficiently. Physical peak performance is impossible without mental peak performance, and mental clarity is impossible without the nightly glymphatic flush that deep sleep provides. Your brain was once thought to be separate from the body's immune system, but we now know they work in perfect harmony to keep you healthy. Eliminating blue light before bed is essential because it allows the brain to release melatonin, the hormone that triggers the start of the cleaning cycle. By placing a pillow between your knees, you stabilize your hips and spine, ensuring you don't roll onto your back and disrupt the drainage process. This rhythmic expansion and contraction is the heartbeat of your mind, a physical movement that is as vital to your life as your actual pulse. If you're learning new skills, the cleaning process also helps solidify memories by removing the noise and leaving only the important neural connections intact. Anxiety and stress often stem from a cluttered brain. A proper night of lymphatic drainage is often the best medicine for emotional stability and peace. Think of each night as a chance to start over with a clean slate, a biological reset button that keeps you resilient against the pressures of life. The exit route for these toxins is through the lymphatic vessels in the neck, making gentle neck stretches before bed a great way to prime the system. When your glymphatic system is working perfectly, your mind feels as clear and expansive as a high-altitude horizon on a perfectly sunny morning. Long-term brain health is a choice you make every night by respecting your biology and providing the right conditions for your body to heal itself. Cooler room temperatures also help induce the deep sleep necessary for the glymphatic system to reach its full cleaning potential throughout the entire night. The areas responsible for your most complex decisions are the ones that require the most cleaning. So don't cheat yourself out of your best self. Time spent sleeping is never wasted. It is a vital investment in your cognitive longevity and your ability to engage with the world effectively. Medical professionals are now looking at sleep posture as a primary preventative measure against the epidemic of cognitive decline we see in modern society. The difference between a good sleep and an optimal sleep is the difference between surviving your day and truly thriving with a powerful mind. The grace with which your body maintains itself is a wonder of evolution, a silent symphony of fluid and pressure working for your benefit. Deep diaphragmatic breathing before sleep helps to lower your heart rate and prepare your brain for the shift into its deep cleaning restorative phase. Clean neurons communicate faster with less error, allowing you to react more quickly and process complex information with much greater ease and accuracy. Your personality and your ability to connect with others are deeply tied to how well your brain has recovered from the previous day's stressors. Don't let the invisible toxins of yesterday cloud the potential of today. Optimize your posture and unlock your brain's natural ability to renew itself. Investing in a good pillow and mattress is an investment in your brain's future, a simple change that yields massive returns in mental health. Keep the pathways open. Keep the fluid moving. Your brain is a dynamic organ that deserves the best care you can possibly provide it every night. Just as the tide cleans the shore, your sleep cleans your mind. Embrace this natural cycle and watch your cognitive abilities reach new, amazing heights. Track your progress, pay attention to how you feel, and make the side sleeping position a non-negotiable part of your nightly health and wellness routine. From the memory centers to the emotional hubs, every part of your brain gets its turn to be refreshed, repaired, and ready for action. Protect the minds of the next generation by teaching them that sleep is a superpower, the ultimate tool for a long and healthy life. Science is proving that many of the issues we attribute to getting older are actually just the results of a brain that hasn't been cleaned properly. Hydration is also key. The fluid that cleanses your brain has to come from somewhere, so drink plenty of water throughout the day to help. You have the knowledge now. It is time to put it into practice and experience the incredible transformation that comes from a truly clean brain. Join the thousands who have reclaimed their mental energy by simply changing how they sleep and prioritizing their brain's nightly cleaning cycle and health. Subscribe to Why Hok Tong Hop today to unlock more secrets about your body's hidden systems and how to live your healthiest, most vibrant life. Sleep well, sleep on your side, and let your brain do what it does best. We will see you in the next video for more health insights.